Let me show you how we can use and activate Gemini on Samsung Galaxy A57. So we have a couple of ways that allow us to activate Gemini. The first one is to simply press and hold the power button. By default, if you do so, you can activate the Gemini and the microphone is going to be activated as well. So of course, you should be able to say something out loud and use that prompt to send it to Gemini, and you can get the answer pretty quickly. Besides that, you can tap on the microphone if you want to, and you can use your keyboard instead. Also, at the bottom of this little menu, we have this plus option that allows us to attach certain files. We can also choose to create an image, create music, and something else over here. We have the option to start sharing the screen with Live, and Live is like a Gemini feature that allows you to communicate in real time with Gemini, to have like a conversation, to maybe ask about advice, and so on and so forth. Besides that, of course, we can find the Gemini app in here in the app drawer. By default, it is located somewhere in here, so you should be able to tap on it. And then we can, of course, write our prompt. We can use the microphone again. Here we have the live option. So this button with lines and a star is the live option, live conversation. And besides that, we can also use the voice activation. So in order to be able to activate the Gemini by using your voice, by saying, "Hey Google," you can tap on your Google account here in the upper right corner. Next, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to open settings. And then in here, we have talk to Gemini hands-free. So we can activate Hey Google in here. And of course, you can set it up pretty easily just by saying a couple of sentences out loud. Now, in addition to that, we can also use a widget. Of course, there is no widget added by default, but we can add it by ourselves. What you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the Gemini app, and then we can go to widgets. And you can find this 2 bytes of widget. This seems to be, at least so far, the only widget that we can use. So I'm gonna press and hold my finger on this widget, and then I can place it pretty much anywhere. Now the good thing is that we can make it much smaller. You can make it 1 by 1, 2 by 1, pretty much any size. So if you want it to be bigger, then there is no problem with that. There we go. So of course you can use the widget as well. You can just quickly start communicating with Gemini. You can ask Gemini about something. We also have the live option, the screen sharing option, video, camera, gallery, and file. So if you want to quickly attach something and ask Gemini for something or about something, then of course you can do so with this widget. And that is pretty much it. These are all, at least the major ones, the major ways and methods that allow you to start using Gemini on your Galaxy A51. Leave a like and subscribe.